You're looking for a grow light to shine by your plants? The grow light's on 10%, and we have 50%, 100%, and the kelvins of 3,000, 4,000, and 6,000. And we can increase and decrease on the top with the kelvins from cool to positive to blue, and we could dim down the light. And we're going to show you what this grow light is all about. From the providers to UV is a 3,000 through 3 kelvins, 3,000, 4,000, 6,000 grow light, a spectrum light that is adjustable, hanging pendant. We're going to demonstrate and show you what it looks like. The colors they come in can be found online. As we open up and show you how nicely they are packed and the instructions laid on top, in plastic, your grow light, remote control, 110 through 140 VAC, and everything you need to hang up and put your cord and have the anchors and all. It has a switch on and off, plenty of cord. It is a round cord, not flat, with a polarity on one side. The light's made of metal, COB inside. When you turn the light, this ring will unscrew. Unscrew the narrow ring to adjust your focal for the plant. And it has numbers right here showing you the maximum to the minimum. With the screw, place in to the hole. Find a location on your ceiling, wall, etc. and lock down. The light hanger, drop in a screw and hang. In our demonstrations, we're showing you over here on the wall. So we place on and through the small locking mechanism and lock down with the nut cap. As we tighten down, it holds the light into place. We're given 4 to space out. Please remember to peel the protective battery film off. This is the remote control. You have your kelvins, brightness levels up and down, your timer, your scheduled timer, your immediate Kelvin choices, and the set level of brightness. Turning on the unit manually and turning off the unit manually. It is a fast on and off. Turning off the unit is a delayed off. 5 seconds, the light is off. Turning it on is simply hitting the on, a soft on. Changing the Kelvin from 6,000, holding to 3,000. A variable Kelvin choice. And choosing the brightness level or holding down to 10% and increasing to 100%. For the timer, for 2 hours and off, it blinks once. For 4 hours and 8 hours, it'll blink once. This is 8 hours. 8 hours from now, the light will be in the off to the next time you turn on. At 12 p.m., you turn the light on at 2 hours. At 2 p.m., the light will go. To turn the light on every single day, same time for 2 hours, press the 2 hours. The next day, the light will come on the same time for 2 hours. That's the recycle. The same goes for 4 and 8 hours. Immediate 6,000 Kelvin, 4,000 Kelvin, 3,000 Kelvin. We have a 10%, a 50%, and 100%. We'll do our best to show the light hung up. We have the plant light set up, manual wall switch turn on. With the wall switch turning on and off manually, it does not have any set time or time. Controlled through the remote control that we went through. We want the light to come on at 8 o'clock and go off 8 hours and come back at 8 o'clock. We hit the cycle button. We want it to be at 6,000 Kelvin by the remote control at 100% brightness with a narrow spotlight adjusting down. Clockwise, adjust down, counterclockwise, adjusts up. So as we widen the angle of lighting, to cover all the plants, we have our grow light. For further information, check online about the information of the lighting in a grow light, showcasing your living room, kitchen, dining room, a basement where you need to have light for your plant. A pendant hanging on the wall with plenty of cable to the outlet for your needs. Enjoy your gardening needs of the grow light.